Hello everyone, welcome to My Skills, My Future, a career mentoring platform. We are back with the question of the day. Without any further delays, we'll see what question we are going to discuss today. The question is about CCNA and focusing on subnetting topic. So the question here is you need to subnet a network that has 6 subnets. It is saying that it has to be divided into 6 subnets. Each at least has 16 hosts. And they are asking you to find out which classful subnet mask would you use. So there are 4 different subnet masks given and we need to find out which subnet mask will meet the criteria. So I can do this problem in multiple ways, but let me start out pulling the wrong options, then find the right one first. So now if you see, a subnet mask has network bits are represented with ones and host bits represented with zeros. So here if you say first option, first 3 octets are all network bits because 255 is equivalent to 8 ones. So it has first octet has 8 ones, second octet has 8 ones and third octet has 8 ones, which is all the network bits. But when you consider the last octet in any of the options, so it is a combination of both network bits and also the host bits. So 192 can be written as 1 and 6 zeros. So this is the equivalent value of 192. Here I have 2 network bits and 6 host bits, right? So when I have 2 network bits, I can get 2 power of 2 different networks. So this is not my valid option because my requirement is 6, but I'm getting only 2 power 2, that is 4 networks. So I need not even to check with the host options. Now coming to 224, it is 111 and 5 zeros. So it is 111 and 5 zeros. When you have 3 ones in the network part, then you can blindly say that it can generate 8 different networks, right? And as there are 5 host bits, I can get 2 power 5, which is nothing but 32 different, which is nothing but 32 different hosts. My requirement is 16 hosts, but I'm getting 32 hosts, out of which I'm reducing 2 because one for the network and one for the broadcast. So I would be getting a total of 30 IPs. So this is mapping my requirement, but let's see if there is any option which is closer and reducing the wastage, because here I need 16, but I'm getting 30 different IP addresses, which is far more, right? So we need to check if there is any other option which gives me the less wastage of the IP addresses. So when you see 240, it has 4 ones and 4 zeros. That means 16 networks and 2 power 4 is 16 hosts. When I subtract my network ID and broadcast ID, I would be generating 14. That means this is not mapping my requirement to. And the last one is 248, which is nothing but 5 ones and 3 zeros. So the number of host bits are less than my option C. That means obviously I can say that this will not meet my requirement of the host. So I'm eliminating this also. Now if you observe, only the 224 option, that is option B, is the only one which meets our requirement. So this is one way of solving it. Let's see the other way. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is you need to get number of subnets and number of hosts. So they are asking about the number of hosts. They did not mention about the network ID or broadcast ID in it. So I'm adding 2 to this. So the total number of IPs required is 18, not just 16. I require 18. So I will write down the nearest 2 power values to these two numbers. So for 6, it is 8, which is 2 power 3. And for 18, it is 32, which is 2 power 5. Now, if you see here, I need 3 network bits and 5 host bits. So I can simply write it as 3 ones and 5 zeros. This equivalent value is 224. So my option B would be perfect answer for this requirement. Hope you understood this. If you're not able to follow me up, or if you're new to networking, you can post your comments there, or you can join me on 13th of this month at 5 p.m. on our YouTube channel. So that where I would be explaining you about what is subnetting, what is IP addresses, what the network bits are, what the host bits are, what is the subnet mask, more in detail. Stay tuned to us for more updates. All the channel links and our live link is present in the description. So please do subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you.